Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to build this nice little bank here with Steve and Mr. Brawly sitting underneath the lovely shade. This was originally planned to be a San Francisco row home, but it looked better as like a small bank or like a convenience store of some sort. So I'm going to take it apart and show you how to build it. Alright, so I've taken apart all the pieces in this bank build, and here are all the pieces laid out. So I'm going to show you each and every one of them. So first we have 9 of these 2x2s, and then we have 4 of these 1x4s, 1 of these 2x8s, 1 of these 2x6s, 2 2x4s, 1 1x4 arch piece, 4 of these 1x3s, 2 of these 8x8 base plates, 4 of these tan 2x2s, 2 minifigures. I've used Steve and Mr. Brawly, and this little curvy semicircle thing. So let's get started. So first, we're going to use our base, which is this 8x8 base plate. That's why it's called a base plate. It's base in the name. And we're going to place these 2 1x3s on the side like this. And then we're going to place this arch on top. Now we're going to place these pieces to fill in the rest of the walls of the building. So it should look a bit something like this so far. And then we just build up another layer until it connects with the rest of the building. Like so. And then we use these bigger pieces to connect up the rest of the building and attach it to itself. And this is probably slightly different from the different design or the earlier state it was in, because I've moved around some of the pieces, but it's still the same. We're going to place this here later, but first we're going to place our second base plate, this light pink color or this magenta-ish color. I prefer to call it lavender because it looks nice. And that's in. So now we can put our next thing, which is our little cover, and then we can fill in this area with 2x2s, and we're done with our little bank. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. See you next time. Bye!